welcome back to Alex and Ed's channel of stuff. I'm Alex, he's
Yeet.
Ed, and today we're going to be doing 20 minutes of talking about staplers. And a quick update on the PUBG funny moments. Me and Ed recorded a ton, they were really funny. Then when we go to review the footage, well, you can't hear Ed.
Pretty much. You can hear everything. You can hear Alex, you can hear the gameplay, but you can't hear me, so it's just basically Alex talking to himself.
And then I recorded a few. I say recorded, it didn't record.
Yeah. So, staplers. Let's go.
What, staplers?
Okay,
no idea how we're going to do this.
20 minutes, right, here we go. So, I actually have a stapler on my desk here.
Same.
I'm going to click it now. Wait, can you click yours? Just to prove. Just, you know,
Ooh.
Yeah, so if I get close to the mic. So, I really like my stapler. Yeah, it currently doesn't have any staples in it. Oh dear, staplers. But I use it a lot. I don't use it for a wide variety of things, mainly stapling.
Really?
What do you use yours for, Alex?
Stapling?
Oh, that's great.
You know?
That's great, Alex. What colour is your stapler?
Black. What about yours?
Oh, nah, mine's kind of, how do I describe it? It's kind of half black, half kind of purple.
Ooh.
Don't know why I have a purple one, but I do. Is your, does yours have a great clicking sound? Rated out of 10. The clicking sound of the stapler.
10 what?
Rate,
Staples?
no, yeah, rate the clicking sound.
I'd rate it 8.9 staples out of 10.
I'm gonna give mine a 7.5 staples out of 10, just because I think it could, it could have more of a click. It's more of a muffle kind of noise, but that may just be because it doesn't have any staples in it. So what? Oh dear.
Yeah.
So what do you usually staple?
Pages together.
I usually staple children to walls, but
I usually staple things.
Oh, that's great. How long have we been going?
Literally 4 minutes. No, 3 minutes. That's even worse.
And that's including the outtake intro and the real intro. So.
Brilliant. We are not going to be able to do this.
No, we got 18 more minutes or so. So yeah, my stapler. Do you have any stories about your stapler?
Yeah.
Do you?
No.
Oh, funnily enough, I don't either, but I'm just gonna pretend I do for the sake of this video.
Oh.
So one day I was just sitting here with the stapler, obviously. Where else would I be with? At my desk, with the stapler, obviously, because that's what I'm with. So yeah, I was kind of just sitting here with the stapler, just so you know. Yeah, so I was kind of just sitting here at my desk. PC was on, stapler in hand, because I had the stapler, yeah. And I was just kind of holding it in my hand, just kind of spinning it around. The stapler, that is, by the way, not anything else, just the stapler.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Believe it or not. Okay, so I'm just kind of holding it, like so, just as I am now, just kind of throwing it between hands, the stapler. And basically it has this like rubber bottom to it, so it doesn't like damage tape short. The stapler, it has a rubber bottom, yeah, the stapler. Just so we're clear what I'm on about.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Go out, get out, leave. Fuck, leave.
Ed.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Dubious, are you?
No.
Well, my stapler.
Anyway, okay, thanks, Alex.
Oh.
As I was saying.
I can't laugh so hard
Get
because
out,
I've got
get
stomach
out,
ache.
Get out. Right, I'm back. Sorry. So, before I was rudely interrupted, my stapler. So it has the rubber bottom on it, the stapler.
Mm.
So I was kind of throwing it, but then I kind of missed through it. The stapler, that is, by the way.
Yeah.
And it missed my hand pretty much. So the stapler, it kind of went flying across the room. Not very
Wait,
far.
you're still talking about the stapler, yeah?
Oh, sorry. Then okay. I should have made it a bit more clear. Actually.
All right.
So
yeah,
the stapler, it went stapler. Just see it. So the stapler went flying across the room, and midair, the rubber bottom.
This is still the stapler, yeah?
It's the stapler.
All right.
So I really need. Sorry, I'm telling this story awfully. It's not. So it's flying across the room, the stapler, and the rubber bottom of the stapler just comes off, which means the stapler.
This is still the stapler, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
So it has pretty much no protection on it because the rubber's come off, and that rubber's just gone flying.
That's still the stapler.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, the stapler, the rubber bottom of the stapler comes off. So basically, the stapler is pretty much defenseless. The stapler. So that kind of hits the wall like so. This is the stapler. So and pretty much it left a mark. The stapler left a mark on my wall.
Oh.
And to this day, that mark is still here. It's on the corner here.
Oh.
I just tapped my wall. So yeah, that was the stapler that did it. Sorry, that was. Yeah.
Wait, were you tapping the wall then, or the stapler?
Oh, I was tapping the wall there, but I'm gonna tap it with the stapler here. Yeah. So that was
That's a stapler tapping the wall, yeah?
Yeah. So
Right.
pretty much, yeah. That's about the logistics of the story, including the stapler. About the stapler, yeah. The stapler.
Right.
So
Well,
yeah.
my story.
Oh, what's your story?
One day, I was at a desk,
Okay.
saw a stapler. I took it, I stapled something.
Wait, hang on. What did you take?
Oh, sorry, this is still the stapler.
Alright, sorry. That's my bad.
No, it was my fault.
Alright, sorry.
And I put the stapler down.
Mhm.
This is still the stapler.
Alright.
I look away from the stapler. I look back because I need to staple something else, so I go to get the stapler. It's gone.
Stapler. Oh, what, the stapler?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, mad. Alright, continue, yeah.
Then I look back to where I was, and there's the stapler.
Wait, hang on, wait. So the stapler disappeared? And then reappeared?
Yeah,
That's
in
a
a different
stapler?
area. That's a stapler.
Mad.
Then I got up to go downstairs, so I was away from the stapler.
Mhm.
Came back upstairs. The stapler had gone.
No, not the stapler.
Yeah, the stapler. So I went into my room, not knowing where the stapler was. It was tucked up in my bed.
What, the stapler?
Yeah.
Nah, you're chatting raucous. Really?
So I taped it to my bedside table.
What, the stapler, yeah.
The stapler, yeah.
Alright.
And I went to sleep away from the stapler. I wake up in the morning, stapler's not there. I go in the room where the stapler was. It's exactly where I lost it.
Lost
then-
what, sorry?
I lost the stapler.
Alright, okay.
And then I realised I was on 10 ton of LSD.
With the stapler?
Yeah. No, of LSD.
But you had a stapler, though?
Yeah.
Alright. Well,
But then I came to the conclusion that it was a dream.
about a stapler. Okay. Well,
Macaroni cheese.
that's the thing. My story about the stapler actually existed though. That's the thing.
Oh, did
And
it?
that's the mad thing about it because it.
But here's the
wasn't like a dream.
thing.
Oh, what? Yeah.
My stapler story does exist because it's a dream. And dreams
Oh, so yeah,
exist.
it was real. Yeah.
So it happened.
Yeah. Somehow, yeah.
Maybe not in this universe, but maybe in another.
You know, yeah. Well, because there's that. There's like multiple universes. So that story about your stapler that one about. That happened in one of those multi.
You never know. It could look out your window. You might see it floating along.
Hang on, wait. So stapler, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
There
black
it is.
black stapler.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Oh no, that's just a fly. Never mind.
Oh.
But no, I'm talking about stapler, not a fly.
Yeah.
So.
We've been going for 10 minutes.
All right, halfway. So No, but that's like crazy because like.
I know.
Do you know? Yeah. But that. Do you know what else is really crazy?
What?
The mark on my wall from the stapler.
Yeah.
Is still there
You don't say.
to this day.
Oh,
I
that's
mean,
mad.
this story happened about what 4 days ago, and it's still there. So, you know.
Okay.
But yeah, like, man, me and my stapler have been on many adventures.
I'm not sure if I can keep going.
But
We're
like,
gonna have to.
but anyway, like, yeah, like, how many staples do you think your stapler can hold?
Let me think.
Because I reckon mine could hold about what?
300.
I reckon yours is a bit better than mine. There's the stapler.
Yeah.
I reckon mine could hold about 57, maybe 60, like if you squeeze them in all nice and tight. It's not a big stapler. Like, don't get me wrong, it fits in one hand. Like, and my hands aren't big.
Yeah, same.
Neither is the stapler. But
12 minutes.
could you not distract me from the stapler?
Sorry.
But anyway, yeah, like, man, it's got a cool pattern. Like, you know, like the rubber part though that I was on about earlier of the stapler.
Yeah.
Like the base.
Yep.
The protection. It's got this really nice texture. It's got like lines going like horizontally to the staples. So it's really nice. But like, what kind of staples do you get then to go in your stapler?
I personally get staples. I don't get staples. I get staples.
Wait, really? Nah, I feel like that's a bit far fetched to me.
No, I honestly put staples in stapler, not staples.
The staple. Okay, you might not believe this, honestly.
My one shoots out.
Really?
And hooks onto your nipples and electrocutes you.
Oh, my dad had one at work that did that.
Oh,
But
that's cool.
but you may not believe me.
Where does your dad work? Petrol station.
Probably. I think so, yeah. But honestly, like, you may not believe me about this, yeah. But
Right.
my dad.
Your dad, yeah.
He had a stapler.
Oh, what? Your dad had a stapler, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
But that's not the thing I don't think you'll believe.
What?
I just wanted to tell you that because it's about staplers. But
Oh, right, yeah.
but my stapler, yeah, the one that can hold about 57 to 60 at a max. Wait, it's a good day.
Yeah.
It takes metal ones.
Oh, my one takes obsidian ones.
Really?
And bedrock ones, obviously.
Yeah, but like sometimes, like on my birthday, special occasions, I ask for non-metal ones. I asked for ones made out of shish kebabs. And honestly, you have no idea. They hold the pages, or anything I'm stapling, just today, so much better.
Ed, I'm gonna have to stop. I can't do this.
No, okay.
We've got, 6 minutes left. Come on.
No, okay.
Oh.
So,
So stupid. Bear in mind, this was Ed's idea literally a minute before we started recording this. Straight back into character.
On the inside of my stapler, the stapler model, yeah.
Yeah.
It has this kind of like spring.
Oh, same.
And I never really understood
No, wait, Ed, I don't have a spring. I have a spring.
Really?
Yeah, so I don't have a spring. Like, I don't have a spring as in a metal spring. I have spring as in the time of year.
I didn't know they made them like that.
Mm.
Oh, but anyway, the stapler, it has a spring. I don't understand what it does. Like, I'm just opening up my stapler.
Yeah.
Ah, my fucking finger. Sorry, the stapler got me.
Well, that's a shame.
But it has multiple springs. Wait, hang on. There's one there, and one. There's 3 bloody springs.
Oh, is there 3?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't have 3. I have 1, but not one like one. I have 1.
So you've like won a game?
Yeah.
Whoa! Wait, hang on. Wait, repeat that, because wait, are we talking about the stapler? Yeah.
Mhm.
Right.
I don't have 1 spring, so I don't have like 1 as in the number of a metal spring. I've like got 1 as in winning, the time of month spring.
Huh.
I know. And then
Sorry. Could you just re-explain the concept? It's quite difficult to get. Could you
basically, my stapler, yeah.
Yeah.
My stapler, it doesn't have like a metal spring. It has spring as in the time of month, and I don't have 1 spring as in the number. I have 1 as in winning.
Really?
So I have 1 spring.
Nah, that's crazy.
I know. Oh, and then this little metal bit where when you press down the stapler, like the staples come out. That's not metal. That's metal, as in like the like music genre.
That's crazy, man.
Then it's made out of plastic, but not plastic. It's made out of plastic.
Oh. So it's like sticks as in like trees, or
stick
as in sticky resin?
The thing is, the Y is silent, so it's play sticks. So pretty much I've got a toy lightsaber made out of this.
Oh, so you play with sticks?
Yeah, so
and that's stapler, inside the stapler?
My stapler is made out of play sticks.
Yeah.
It's...
Well, the stapler?
It's got... Yeah. Right. It's got... it's got not 1 spring as in the number. It's got, like, it's like winning spring.
Yeah.
It doesn't... It's not made out of metal, as in the material.
Yeah.
It's made out of, like, the music. I don't put staples in it. I put staples in it. So, staple. And then...
Paul, you better stay there, mate.
Oh,
wait,
I've only got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
You put Paul in the stapler?
Yeah.
Right.
I say stay to Paul, and then Paul stays.
He stays in the stapler, so he doesn't escape.
He stays in the play sticks. Stapler.
In the stapler.
We've literally been going for 18 minutes. I'm proud.
18 and a half minutes talking about staplers.
That's actually pretty good.
So, I mean, just for this last little like section, I just want to tell you one more, like, just explain to like the viewers.
Fascinating story.
I'd really like to just thank the listener, the viewers. No,
we're not done. No. Oh, I forgot one more thing.
Oh, hang on, wait, just before I go, Yeah, go ahead.
What else can I tell you about my stapler?
My stapler's got grey in it.
My stapler is black, but not as in black, as in the colour. I mean, right. We can't have that in the video.
No. It's black as in it's dark. It's just a shadow.
Yeah, as in like, it's not black, as in like.
You can shine a light on the colour black, and it goes.
Yeah,
it's actually like a shade.
It's black as in.
It blocks out sunlight completely.
So basically, so it's night. It's dark.
Your stapler's dark.
This is going to be the longest minute of our lives.
Alright, but we're at 19 minutes 40.
We've done it!
But pretty much, just before we finish,
I
just want to thank the viewers for listening and you for talking about one of my favourite subjects.
Seriously though, if anybody has stayed listening for 20 minutes straight, I applaud you.
But
seriously,
on a serious level, I just want to thank Alex for talking about one of my favourite hobbies with me, just because. I can't fucking do this, right? See you later, you cunts.
Right, so thank you for watching, guys. If you have reached the end of this video, yeah, remember to leave a like. Can we try and get
If
7
we get
or 8
7.5 likes, we'll talk about bedroom blinds for half an hour.
No,
Right, see you later, you cunts.